Hey, good people, once again, this is Kangs, yeah? And if you remember, last time, the last video that I uploaded, if you watched it, we were on an adventure to a place called Sinkhole. So at the end of the video, if you remember very well, I said we're gonna be going to Wadi-Shab after Sinkhole. And here we are. So this place is called Wadi-Shab. It's around 20 minutes drive from Sinkhole, and it's around 2 hours drive or 2 hours and a half drive from Muscat. So this place, where we are right now, whatever you can see, these are life jacket, waterproof bags. They are for rent, I think, yeah, for rent or for sale, because the adventure in Wadi-Shab, it's about some hidden gems, water bodies inside, deep inside. You have to hike for around 1 hour and a half, depending on the speed that you'll be walking with, to get to where the water gems are. So here you take a boat. A boat costs you around 1 rial. It's not around a specific, it's 1 rial to cross with the boat. You can see there's a boat there. I took a video when we were crossing, but unfortunately, honestly, I don't know where that video went. Um, there's a beautiful video when we were crossing, but somehow it got deleted from my camera, so it didn't get to put it here. So as soon as you cross there's a small water body from where we were standing to the other side. You pay 1 rial, then you start walking or hiking through the valley. This Wadi, I think Wadi is a Arabic name for river or seasonal river, or if I'm not wrong, it should be that. But there are so many pools. There are natural pools inside this valley. Let me call it valley or Wadi-Shab. So, but to get to the right one, at the end of this Wadi-Shab, there's a pool with very cold water, and there's a cave as well. So to get to the end of it, you get to walk around 1 hour or 1 hour and a half, which you don't even realize because of the scenes. As you can see, beautiful rocks formation. I know at this time it was hot. It was around 40 degrees or 45 degrees, if I'm not wrong. So the good thing, there are so many these water pods or pools. Let me call them pools. It's natural pools, yeah. So as you walk, let's say you walk 1 kilometer or something, you get to swim, then you get up again, you get to swim again. You cool yourself down as you enjoy, especially those people who like swimming and adventure, while swimming. People like me, this was very enjoyable. Like you can see over here, if you feel like it's too hot and I need to relax my muscles, I need to, yeah, you just jump in. But like I said, like it's exactly like Wadi-Shab. No, I mean Sinkhole. There's no lifeguard. So if you don't know how to swim, it's better to rent. This place is much better compared to the Sinkhole, because you can rent a life jacket, and if you have to swim across, they also rent waterproof bags where you can put your belongings like phone, camera, whatever. Okay, the water is very clean. I know it's green because of the environment, but the water is very clean and very healthy for swimming. So you don't have to worry about health issues, or it's like stagnant water. No, it's not. It's very healthy to swim. This place is like real life testing yourself. It's like a 4x4 test on human. So because you have to walk, some rocks are very slippery, like where we are right now. The rocks are very slippery, like if you're not careful, especially during rainy season, because this was my third trip to Wadi-Shab. Yeah, I've gone there 3 times. it's a place that you never get enough, especially if you are those people who like adventure. I'll show you how the water is. Yeah, see, the water is very clean, and there are some fingerlets, small fish, baby fish. That's how the water is. I don't know. I don't think it's good for drinking. So whenever you are taking your trip inside, you can take. You should take. Not you can take. You should take drinking water with you. If you are those people who feel hungry, and yeah, you should take food as well. Like I said, it's 1 hour and a half walk. So going and coming back, it's around 3 hours. Depending on your speed, you can do it with 45 minutes. Me and my colleagues, we are used to hiking and walking, so we were walking at a very high speed. I think we did it with around 45 minutes to the most. Or if we were slow, it was like 55 minutes. We didn't finish 1 hour. So you can take your water, plenty water. But at the beginning, there's a place I told you, like, there's a video I took and it disappeared. There's a water dispenser, so you can refill your water, but it's a little bit salty. So if you can bring in your water, it's better. It's recommendable. But if you didn't or you finished, that water, it's have filter. It's safe for drinking. Myself, I had to refill it because I had already finished the water that I had, and the water that I had I had aluminium bottle, and it was around 45 degrees, so it's got very hot also. So I had to get some cold water. So the other thing, you have to get yourself good shoes. As you can see, this rocky place, the shoes should be light for walking, because you're gonna be walking for a long time. They should be fit, like soft, because it's gonna be rocky ground, and they should have good grip, because you'll be climbing on top of rocks. So you don't want to have shoes without good grips. So this was near at the end of the hike. So we were approaching it's right in front of us, the pond. And finally here we are. It's a pool with very cold, refreshing water. And we got to get our lifetime moment. And in this one as well, it's have like I showed you in sinkhole, there are some small fish, so it's like a therapy. If you relax, they will do your facial therapy, is it, or massage, or what do we call it? Yeah, they eat the dead skin for free. They're not gonna charge you anything. You enjoy, you relax inside your water. And there's something I almost forgot. See, I had to get to the bottom of it. Yeah, I had to dive to the bottom of it. So the Wadi-Shab open around 7 in the morning, and they close around 6 p.m. So if you are there enjoying water, if you are past 6 p.m., you might not find a boat to get you to the other side. So whenever you are enjoying your hike, swimming and everything, remember your time to go back, it should not be past 6 p.m. So it's safe to wind up your trip, your adventure around 5:30, so you can find your boat to get to the other side, and also you get time to go back to wherever you came from. So this is how we ended our Wadi-Shab trip. It's a memorable trip. It's a trip that I'm gonna do again and again. So maybe after this, I'll be going back. Hopefully this time I'll be able to take a video of the place that I did not take, and it will not be deleted. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like we always say. Like, share, yeah, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. I don't know, next I'll be where, probably in a new scene. See you. Goodbye. Bye bye.